Guys, let me show you or tell you why trading is so hard. You are probably looking at this video proper now because you saying to yourself, man, you know trading is hard for me proper now. Welcome to the club. Of course it'll be difficult inside the beginning, but I'm here to tell you that the reason why it's hard in the beginning, especially trading, is because trading can actually give you big rewards. Anything that can give you big rewards is going to be very hard in the beginning. I guarantee you. If you can name any job, name it. Any job that is very easy, that I could guarantee you that job doesn't pay a lot. Alright, you have to understand anything that pays a lot is going to be hard in the beginning, and you should embrace that and love it. Because you know, if you can walk around and inform people, hey man, I'm a profitable trader, they're going to look up to you proper. Just like if you go around permit, say, you're a doctor, right? You inform someone, I'm a doctor, you know. They're going to look up to you because they know you went to school for like 8 years, plus you are able to do things a lot of people can't do, so you should love that. Trading is hard, right? And you have to understand, yes, it's hard right now. But the greater you do it, in a while it will become much simpler, so you should experience pain in the beginning. Just like, let's say you need to build some muscles, tissues. You can't build muscles by lifting up a 10-pound dumbbell, and oh, you're gonna need to lift more than 10 pounds. That means you are going to experience a lot of pain. It's going to be very hard in the beginning, and that's because you are looking for big gains. If you're not looking for big gains, then yeah, you know, you can lift up 10 pounds like it's nothing, but if you want real big gains, you're gonna have to lift a lot of weight. Same thing with trading, right? Trading allows you to make a lot of money. So buying and selling or whatever else that can give you a lot of rewards, anticipate it to be hard in the beginning. Now let's talk about the different things it truly is probably making your trading harder right now. Okay, number one, your beliefs, right? Your beliefs probably making your trading really hard right now, because you probably don't believe that you can do this, or you don't believe in your strategy, and it's going to be very hard for you to get to the next level if you don't believe that. You could be a full-time trader. I remember I had a hard time believing I can actually make trading work. At one time I was like, no way, someone's actually making money from trading. So buying and selling or whatever else, that single trade, I mean like every single trade I put on I was losing. So in back, communicate about the various things. It truly is the world. Someone is actually making a living from this, and then luckily I was able to speak to a full-time trader on Zoom, right, and she was showing me trading clearly tough proper now, and that alone helped my belief system. So that's why sometimes I try to post live trades for you guys, to give you motivation and also to let you know that it is possible to make profits from these markets. Another thing that can help your belief system is just hang around successful traders, right? If you hang around successful traders and you see them, you know, making profits almost every week or every month, right, that's going to help your belief system. You're going to see like, oh yeah, I could definitely do this, you know, I just got to put in the work. Another thing that can help your belief system is just basically studying the market. I was studying the market 7 days a week, so I was looking at, you know, different patterns and seeing that, okay, my strategy works. So when I saw that my strategy is working, that gave me enough confidence to understand, all right, I believe in this strategy. One, believe that I can actually do this. Now I have to just follow my rules and put in the work, so make sure you do that. Due to the fact, if you don't, your trading is going to be great deal harder. The second thing it is probably making your trading hard right now is doubt, and we all go through this, right? Especially new traders. Permit, say that you are on a winning streak right now. Let's say you're on a 2-week winning streak, and then this week perhaps the marketplace was slow, whatever the case is, and you had a losing week. Guess what? A lot of dollars going to come in your mind, and you're going to say, man, you know, was this luck? Does my strategy still work? You're going to start doubting yourself and doubting if you can actually do this, and I'm here to tell you, don't do that. Keep at it. Keep studying the market. Make sure you look at your trades to see if you made any mistakes. If you did make mistakes, right, make sure you correct those mistakes, because if you have doubts, your trading is going to be much harder, because you're going to always second guess yourself. Oh, is this a good trade? I don't know, maybe it is. But you know what, I'm gonna skip this trade, and then next thing you know that trade is a winner, so doubt could definitely hurt you. Ultimately so ensure you accurate that the third thing, this is probably making your trading very hard is a while frame K, so that you likely are buying and selling a smaller time frame that might be stressing you out. So for example, I used to trade a 1-minute chart, and the reason why I did that when I was new is because I was able to put a tight stop loss in, and I could look for decent risk to reward. But I realized there was a lot of fake outs. A lot of times I'm losing 2, 3, 4 times in a row just to get the big winner, so I was stressing myself out. Sometimes I will overtrade.